Butterflies are a symbol of change and transformation. Butterflies are a symbol of change and transformation. They represent the beauty of life and the world. They also represent new beginnings, which can be used to represent a new job or a new chapter in life. These butterfly tattoos are perfect for anyone looking for a meaningful design that actually has meaning behind it. What do butterflies represent? Butterfly tattoos often represent new beginnings or milestones in life. They can also symbolize the beauty of life and the world around us. They represent the cycle of nature, which is thought to be an omen for change. Some people believe that butterflies represent symbols like rebirth or resurrection because after emerging from their cocoons, they are reborn as a different kind of creature. But this doesn't mean that butterfly tattoos are exclusively symbolic. Even if you don't associate your tattoo with any other meaning than beautiful artwork, it still has value. Butterfly tattoos can also signify changes in one's self-image, which might mean different things to different people. This is one of the reasons why people choose to get butterfly tattoos. It has meaning behind it. Why get a butterfly tattoo? Butterfly tattoos are perfect for anyone who wants to wear something that has meaningful yet beautiful without saying a word. It will definitely enhance your beauty, and you don't need to take much effort to flaunt the tattoo because they automatically attract the attention of anyone. Whether you want one as an ode to your favorite season or something that represents your family, it's probably only right that you get that tattoo on your body.